Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie. I'm a paralegal here at One Law Chambers, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a quick guide into the standard visitor visa. If you like this video, please click like down below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. When it comes to applying for a standard visitor visa, you will need to specify what the purpose of your visit is in your application, and this is in order to satisfy the Home Office that your purpose of visit is actually genuine and that you intend on leaving after the end of your visit period. The various categories of a standard visitor visa are tourist and family visit visa, business visit visa, private medical treatment visit visa, child visit visa, marriage visit visa, and permitted paid engagement visit visa. The exact requirements that you will need to satisfy will depend on which of those categories you are applying for. In order to qualify for a standard visitor visa, you will need to satisfy UK Visas and Immigration that the purpose of your visit is genuine and that you will leave the UK at the end of your visit, will not live in the UK for extended periods through frequent or successive visits, or make the UK your main home, are genuinely seeking entry for a purpose that is permitted by the visitor route and will not undertake any prohibited activities, have sufficient funds to cover all reasonable costs in relation to your visit without working or accessing public funds, including the cost of your onward travel or return ticket. A standard visitor visa will allow you to stay in the UK for up to 6 months. Within the period for which the visitor visa is valid, you may enter and leave the UK multiple times, unless the standard visitor visa that's endorsed to you is single or dual entry visa only. Standard visitor visa holders may visit friends and family and/or come to the UK for a holiday. They may also carry out permitted business activities under the business visit visa, undertake a maximum of 30 days incidental study, and access private medical treatment, providing that they satisfy the additional requirements under the private medical treatment visit visa. If you intend to get married or enter into a civil partnership in the UK, then you should apply for a marriage visit visa. If you intend to undertake a permitted paid engagement, then you should apply for a permitted paid engagement visit visa. At One Law Chambers, our immigration solicitors and barristers regularly assist with standard visitor visa applications, and we've represented foreign nationals from all over the world in making successful standard visitor visa applications. Please check out our website at onelawchambers.com or give us a call for more information. Our contact details are listed in the description box below. I hope that this video has been helpful, and if it has, then please don't forget to click like down below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.